Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Oh, hey guys, it's the next day. It's Thursday, April 6th. So I'm about to go to Pennsylvania to go get Kimani. I just want to do this little haul before I leave because I gotta be out of here before 1:30. It's now 12:50. So, the other day when I went to some little stuff that I bought that yeah. So when I went to Primark the other day, I still have this stuff in the battery, not take it out for 2 weeks or more. So I should put this on today. Ooh, this body spray. Yeah, I painted my nails the blue, you know, because of autism. I was supposed to put on some nails. I was supposed to get some nails. I thought I ordered the nails with the Temu, but I did not. It was in my Shein. It's in my Shein cart, and Shein is not gonna come right now, so I just painted it blue. And I painted my toes too. If I ever come out, but oh, this smells good. It smells so good. So what I have in here next is the shoes. The weather right now is like it's really nice outside, so I am gonna wear flats. Either I'm gonna wear this one. No, I'm not gonna wear it. I have on blue jeans. I could wear that one, or I'll wear this one. These are some flat shoes that I got from Primark. And this is the other one. Yeah. How much was it again? $9. That's that. Now, this that I got from Nike the other day. Let me tell you, I've been wanting one of these, and I had the money to get it. It's like when the time come to get it, and unless when I say I'm gonna get it, I didn't get it. I've been wanting them since I was younger, right? Like even when I was in my teenage years, I wanted a pair. Even when I was working and being on my own, I still had the chance to get it, and I never got it. And I'm 35 years old now, and this is my first pair. My first pair of Air Force. I think the last time when I looked at it, it was like $100 or something like that. I'm like, okay, that's not bad. But yet I still didn't get it. So I don't know. I honestly don't know what was the reason I didn't get it, because I could have still got it if I really wanted it, right? I guess at the time I really didn't want it. So these are the Air Force ones. I cannot believe I finally got them. Am I the only person that never had a pair of these? Like, am I the only person? I really want to know. These are my first pairs. Like, I really want to know if I'm the first person to buy it, to not have one of these for years. Because summertime, baby. I love these. These are so cute. These are size 6. Boys 6. That's what I got because my feet is very small. You see, I was trying it on in the store and it wasn't. I normally wear 7 in boys, so when I went there, I'm like, let me try this on. So I put the 7 and it was big. So the 6.5, it was big. I was like, okay. So the 6 fit really nice, and even right here have a little space still. So I'm good for the summertime. I'm just finally excited that I finally bought one. Because all this time I wanted it, and I'm like, I don't want it no more. And then it's like, I don't know. I guess I really at the time I really didn't want it. Because like I said, if I really wanted it, I would have got it. Simple as that. So at the time, I didn't care for it. Even though I bought Kimani like 2 pairs. I think he had the pair, this one, and he had the black one. So if I really wanted it, I would have get it for myself. But I just decided to get it this time. And then, you know, you see, I got a discount. Look at that. My first time getting it, and I paid $76 for this. How much I paid? How much I paid? You see what happened when you wait? Nah, I'm joking. But nah. No, but I'm a bargain person. So, see the bill? Oh yeah, it's next up. What? See the bill? Y'all see it? $76. Because when I got there, the guy was like, "Oh, you have the account with us?" I'm like, "Yeah." Download the apps and that. I was like, "Oh, words, say less." Of course. You think I'm gonna pass that up? And I heard the lady behind him, was complaining, talking about, so why he don't take somebody else? Like, lady, he's helping me with the thing. Like, have patience. It's me telling somebody. No, but for real, have patience, girl. You see me online. Obviously, he's helping me with something. So why are you talking about, well, why he don't take somebody else? Just because I was waiting for it to download and I had to log in and all that. Like, I'm still in line. He's still helping me. We still have the social distance. COVID is still out here. Like, you expect me to move to the side and no, wait your turn. Wait your turn. Anyways, so this is the sneakers. This is Kimani sneakers I was going to go pick up the other day from Champs. And you know, I had to get him a pair of sneakers because the summertime around the corner. He's about to be 14 next month. So I went a size up. This was on sale. $50. Okay, I was like, word. So this is how they look. I bought Kimani. This the first pair of Arashis Kimani had was white, and when he was younger for his birthday. Like, why would I buy white? Like, girl, now you buying white for a kid. And I never had a pair of these either. I kept saying I'm gonna get one. I was looking in the store to see if they have my size, like for a reasonable price, because you know me, I don't care. Okay, I mean, I spend enough money on those sneakers, and then a couple years me can't wear it. Even with Kimani, this is why I spent so wisely with Kimani too, because his feet go so fast. So I'm not about to buy expensive sneakers for him. No, I'm not doing it. I think I said that before. Like, I'm really not doing it. Nope. So I be on Finish Line. I be looking. I be just on Foot Locker and the other side, Foot Action, and just looking for sneakers that be on sale for him. Cause I'll be damned if I spend so much money and then next year he can't wear it. Me, I am not rich. Okay? So that's not gonna happen. But I know he gonna like these because I did call him on. I did so. Oh, this is nice. Look how inside it is. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I like that. This is different. But yeah, do y'all know Temu have? It's 1 o'clock. Oh shoot! I gotta hurry up. All right, let me say this for 10 more minutes or 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, cause I gotta get out of here. Do y'all know Temu sell the fake Irachis? Temu, honestly, I'm thinking about buying one. I don't care. And the fake Yeezys, Temu have them. So, baby, listen. I think I put it in my cart too. Like, I'm about to get one of those. Yeah, the fake Yeezys. These. Temu got these, and I'm honestly thinking about buying one. Cause why not? I'll be damned. I'd rather buy this than spend so much money to give it to Kanye West. Kanye West is rich already, okay? This is why y'all be thinking, I mean, it's y'all money. Do what y'all want, but I'm going to do what I want with my money. That's why I spend so wisely, because I'm not about to spend so much money on stuff, give it to other people when they're already rich. No, I'm not doing that. But to each his own. This is my opinion, okay? They even got this one. Look at that. They're $34. And then they have the other Yeezys. Where is it? They even have the Black Opium, similar Black Opium cologne. And I read the reviews. It says it's a similar scent. The scent is similar to it. I don't know how that one smells. The real one, I should say. I don't know how that smells. And look, they got the Yeezys. I think I'm gonna buy one of these. Like, freak the Irachis. I think I'm gonna get one of these. $26. They got this color. They in the comments like, oh, you got the real one. Like, can you really tell if it's real or not though? Like, for real. I'm getting one of these. I don't care. I see a girl on the train with this on yesterday, and she a baddie. So look, she had on these, and I saw that. I'm like, oh, she got those from Temu, and these are $17. Okay. I don't really like how these look. I'd rather get the Yeezys looking ones. I think I can get the similar thing for a cheaper price. Let's believe I'm gonna do it. That's it for now. So see y'all. It's 1 o'clock. I'm about to go. I'm in the kitchen warming up some oatmeal before I leave. This is the fit. Just got off the train and I went to the bank. I'm in Washington Ice and now I'm walking to the bus.
It may not mean nothing to y'all, but understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine.
Why is this $18? Look at the price. It's so small. I've used it before. It worked. I'm not gonna pay so much money for this. either I'm gonna get the one from here.
Shutting shit down in the mall. It's Sunday, girl, she the one for me. And I ain't even planning the call. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine, ever mine.
It's so hard to find what I'm looking for right now. I can't find what I'm looking for. I need to find apple cider vinegar in this brand because this is what I'm looking for. $3. I am not buying that. And I got this one, the small one, with 30 in there, for $10. The gummies. I want gummies. I thought it was like a gummy. Oh, see, it's done now. It's finished. The shelf is it's right here. The gummy. It's finished. It's $8. Oh, I might have to end up getting the golden one. The one I don't want to get because all the ones is done. That's I'm gonna order it online, but I really wanted to get it now. I feel like I'm gonna just get this one. Oh, it's sold out. I got this one. No, I don't want because it's a pill, the actual pill. I just want. I'm gonna just take the gummy. And they got the big one right here. So I got some cookies. Chocolate chip cookie from Burger King. I've been using this so long. That cookie was so sweet. I'm trying to figure out if I should really spend almost $20 for this little thing. Like, it's not even big. That's what's killing me. That's what's like, oh, I don't want to get this. But it works though. That's the thing. But it's not showing the size. It's a small ass bottle. $20. I'm not gonna get out of here though. I can't wait to go back home. I'm so tired. But I'm gonna go get these cookies over here. What did the cookies from last time? It's over here. Oh, they don't have it. No. I don't know where I got it from. No, it was over here. It was on a white thing. No, wait, when I come back. Monday. Let's see. This one is $3.98, 5 pounds. Coupon is $1.64. Lunch is up today. I could eat my rice. Today's April 6th, so I could go back to eating rice. But I think I'm gonna go for this one instead of the white rice. Or should I get jasmine rice? What is this 2 pounds for $2.46? Oh, they got this one. Oh, this one is even better. I mean, I'm gonna get it. I see this thing on I think it's been came out, but the pasta they be making on TikTok, I want to make it, so I'm gonna get some Alfredo sauce. I'm gonna use this one. Oh, they got chicken to the pasta. Ooh, look at this. I gotta try this one day. $3.28. I want to try this one day. They got different colors. It's cute. I like this. I'm not even into the Easter stuff like that. I don't eat my butter and cheese and go about my business. And they got the big one. They got this one. This one feels fuzzy. It's like, what they call? Flocked egg. And then I got these over here. Yeah, it's an Easter. There's a bunny right there.
Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local, but thanks to all the haters, I know G4 pilots on a first name basis. In your city, faded off the ground. Nino, she insists she got more class. We know, swimming in the money, come and find me. Nemo, if I was at the club, you know I balled. Chemo, dropped a mixtape, that shit sounded like an album. Who'd have thought a countrywide tour would be the
This
outcome?
came out of Walmart. I feel like it looks like it's about to pour. The weather is cool. I want to go on a trailer. I want to experience like driving around in a trailer. I want to do that one day. Almost 6 o'clock. It's like 8 minutes to 6. It's me walking and looking at my jeans, and I'm like, these jeans is cute. It fits. But I don't remember where I bought them. I do not remember where I bought these jeans at. And they're a little baggy. That's what I like. I don't like my jeans tight on me all the time. It's me going up this hill. Whew. God damn. It's about to rain. This is where I just walked up. A little path come up. It's so windy. I think I had a shopping cart. Good shopping cart. Now I gotta step over this thing right here. It's my shortcut. This will make you money sometimes. Acting like I'm still in Jamaica for me. Why not? Shit. I take shortcuts sometimes. Way about. Thank you. Just got back to New York. Tired. About to go in the train station right here. Take the H train. Gotta go to the bathroom first. You gotta pee? Huh? Okay. Let's go. It's the time right there. 8:52. 8:52 p.m. 3 minutes for the train. I'm not trying to miss this one. So, let's go. Train coming in a minute. Come up here, boy. What's up close to the thing? That's uptown side. Train coming. That's uptown. Come on, E. See the light down there, but I don't see no train coming yet. Hold on, yeah, 175th. Kimani tired. Mask on your face. Come on. Sweet stuff. Go ahead. Get back off.
1 hour later.
Home, y'all, but I made a smoothie. This man snoring in my ears. It's avocado, spinach, pineapple, banana, and protein powder. That's all. I felt bad about eating them fries earlier. Kimani, why are you not asleep? He was sleeping on the train. I saw this movie. I saw this ad. It was a YouTube ad. I saw a movie. It was with Ben Affleck. Ben Affleck looked good as hell in that movie. I don't know. I don't remember the name of the movie. I guess I see why J-Lo went back. Tomorrow's Good Friday. When I get up tomorrow, I'm gonna cook my fish. I ain't seasoned it yet. I should have seasoned it today. I didn't have time to season today because when I got up this morning, I was cleaning. So tomorrow when I get up, I'm gonna go season my fish and let it marinate for a while and then fry it and then eat it with my bun and cheese. That's it. I'm not eating nothing. I'm not doing anything extra. I don't have no peppers or nothing though. I'm just gonna. Do I need anything? I do. What I need? What is it again? I have vinegar. Is it carrot? Carrot and what? Peppers? I don't want no peppers. I'm gonna make some jerk fish. Ooh, I want some jerk seasoning from Walmart. So I'm gonna use that on there. Yeah. Yeah, see y'all tomorrow.
I know. Thank God spinach lost a lot, yeah. I want minute, Carly. Spinach.
Yeah, girl. I say it in Cali. And first of all, spinach that out there. I call her spinach. So, my cousin's a mess. I don't want it. Chat bad luck. Alright. I just cleaned my face with this. It's working. It is working. Look at my face. Look at my face. Ooh. Trying to get rid of this bump right here. But other than that, my face is facing.
That's okay. Yeah, you're right. Mom, Billy was in a commercial with us.
Girls, you don't bring home a side of pork unless it's wrapped in butcher paper.
You stole the pig? She kept him in a tiny cage. She poked him and she never fed him.
It looked like he been eating me.
She was going to eat him. So we had to rescue him.
Oh, Freddy's gonna get the room. He's gonna make a whole new.
I'm gonna say the bun and cheese not gonna serve me until next week because I'm eating it up. This is what I'm about to do right now. Just foil them. I don't cook all four though. I think I'm gonna just cook 2 and then leave 2 for later. So I'm about to make some jasmine rice and cook this curry chicken for Kimani. These are gonna be juicy. Look at it. Guys, look. Oh, look at that seasoning. Yeah. So it's the time. So in 34 minutes I'll come back. Yeah, the flour just cut it up just now. Easy for me to just come take a piece and put it in the bun and just eat it like that. Even though it don't take that long to cut a slice of cheese. I'm just saying, I just rather do it like this. And don't make fun of my board. I know it's small. It's just right to cut the cheese. I'll turn it down. I didn't want the water to dry out. I think I let the curry burn too much. That's why it's looking a little bit dark, but it's good. This is how the cheese looks, sliced up, ready to go, ready to eat. I'm like, if I slice the cheese, 1 minute slice the bun up too. But no, the cheese is different. I don't want the cheese in the pan. So yeah. Alright, it's 5 o'clock now. I'm gonna fry the fish. The curry chicken is ready to finish cook. So yeah.
Labels want my name beside an X like Malcolm. Everybody got a deal. I did it without one. Yeah, nigga, I'm about my me is asking for forgiveness. If you ain't been a part of it, at least you got to witness. Bitches, it may not mean nothing to y'all. Understand nothing was done to me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine. Shit down in the mall. And Sunday, girl, she the one for me. I ain't even planning the call. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine. Ever missing West's in the building. Ain't no question who about the key. I used to have hood dreams, big fame, big change. Niggas out is like until that bitch came. I went hard on fall like the ball teams. Just so I can make it rain all spring. Y'all seen my story, my glory. I have ripped the game young.
I'm here watching Power, yo. Kane
I'm not gonna stand by and watch
is something else. Like, this nigga. I didn't vlog much yesterday. I just spent some time with my papa. But we're about to go outside. Today's Sunday. And I just asked him if he wants some butter and cheese. He said no. Some butter and cheese? You want butter and cheese? Kimani, you want butter and cheese? No. He's like, I don't want that. He tried it like a while back. I don't remember what year he tried it. He don't, yeah. But I'm about to try this. Oh, I nail polish right now. Yeah, I'm about to try this though. See if it tastes good. Cause we're about to go outside. It's nice outside. This one is really sweet. The other one wasn't so sweet, but this one, it's good though. It's just really sweet. Guava. I'm so shy. I'm about to give him some lunch and then I'll go outside. I ain't spending money outside. I'm lying. He want Popeyes later. So yeah. He's just waiting for me to turn the TV back on because he's watching next Friday. This is movie. These like all the Fridays he watched them.
What happened? Made a deal. All you gotta do is go over there. You gotta go over and talk to her. You mean talk to her? Go holler at her. She wanna talk to you. Talk to me. Go talk to her. Mother love, man.
See, I done told you. I done told you.
Thanks a lot, Craig. Look, we cousins and all, but don't be trying to hook me up with the little sister that's bigger than the big sister. Fat bitches need love too, Craig. Oh no.
Don't be trying to hook me up with the little sister that's bigger than the big sister. Listen, earlier I had him connect his headphones to the TV because he kept doing this. That's what he do when he watches these things. He kept rewinding it back. But yeah, that line was funny. He was so funny in this movie. Rest in peace. I'm still laughing at that line. But it's me acting like I never saw that movie before. Because every time I watch this movie, there's certain lines in there that's so funny.
ain't got no bone or no bullshit brownies, but voila. Whoa.
You want it?
No. Okay.
Oh. What the hell? No, Papa, that's not what I want. How you do it back?
Well, I'm gonna show you how we do it up here in Pinky. Look.
So we just got outside. The weather is nice. Kimani hate dogs. Like, he really don't like dogs. I just saw one big dog. Like, he was in the house on this side, all built up and everything. And then we was walking. He was walking ahead of me, and then he stopped. So I'm like, what? And I look to the side, and I see it was a dog. So I'm like, okay, come on, hold his hand. Kimani went around me.
What?
And like it was a tree, and he went behind the tree with a car in the tree. It was like a car and a tree, and he was in between the car and the tree. And I'm like, Kimani, I told you to relax. You don't have to run. It's not gonna bother you. But he don't care about nothing I said. He just keep gonna do whatever he wanna do. Cause I don't understand. I don't know how he's feeling. So I'm like, okay, you know what? That's what I do all the time. I just tell him to relax. It's not gonna bother you. But if he wanna run, he's gonna run. But then yeah, he did run. He ran, and then the dog started barking. I'm like, Kimani. The dog started barking. I'm like, oh gosh, Kimani, it's not gonna come out. It's not gonna bother you. But it was a big dog though. But he don't like dogs. Cause we gotta leave early tomorrow to go back to PA. Cause he gotta go back to school on Tuesday. And I ain't doing no cooking today. My bun is almost finished. But it don't matter because I did buy bula, so I'm not gonna eat the rest with it. With the cheese. I still have a lot of cheese left. But you see how I slice it up. And I'll be just taking 2 pieces to eat with the bun. But yeah. I'm gonna eat with the bula, and then after that I'm gonna cut down on the carbs. Cause girl, that's too much. But I am taking my apple cider vinegar gummies, so I don't feel bloated. I feel light. Okay. But yeah, it's a beautiful day today. Look at that. I need batteries. I forgot I need batteries. I need some batteries. Let me get a pack of these. This is the super. Yeah, I need this. And I need. Let me get 2. Let me get the small one and the big one. I got the Easter bunny out here. What are you taking for? He's throwing out eggs. I'm gonna throw the eggs away. Hello. Look at this nice tree. It's a white tree for me. On Easter Sunday. Kimani, where we going? Where we going? You want Popeyes? And I'm gonna go get another biscuit because I didn't get no biscuit since I tried it. I said I was gonna get another one, but I didn't. And Burger King got the spicy chicken fries. I want to try it. Well, not today. Yeah, I'll try it another day. They fixed up this Burger King better than how it was before. Some of the trees got on stuff, some of them don't. But yeah, this Burger King is renovated. I never went inside before yet. But they got chicken fries right here. I want to try. We'll see though. One day. Not today. I want to try them chicken. I don't know if I want to try them melt stuff. But we're gonna get the $6.99 box. Kimani. I have fish still, so I only ate one fish. I didn't eat the other one yet, so that's what I'm about to eat today. Eat the whole family 10-piece. That's it. You don't get no size, no nothing. I don't like that. That's all. Popeyes the people money. 21 piece of chicken and no fries, no biscuit, no nothing. Like, what's it right there, Papa? Oh. What size you want? Look, I'll show you. You get two sizes. What size you want? What size? Huh? Chicken French fry. Okay, that's gonna be chicken French fry. So I'm gonna have him try the biscuit. See if he likes it. Hey, biscuit. Biscuit. Try it. So how it looks. Try it. Okay. Try it. Go ahead, eat it. He like it. If you're doing it, he like it. Yeah, how about two? Like it? Yeah. Alright, eat it. Enjoy it. That one is yours. Yeah, but he got some rice and beans. It's hot in the chicken. I forgot to bring the water.
Y'all had ripped the game young. You could call it statutory when a nigga blow up. They gon' build statues for me. Old money, Benjamin, boy, nothing. Super bad chicks giving me McLovin'. You would think I ran the world like Michelle's husband. You would think these niggas know me when they really doesn't. Like they was down with the only know you fucking wasn't.
So, yeah. I got my hand missed. I didn't see the box. I didn't see this is how it look. I really wasn't even paying attention when I opened this thing. I didn't even see that at the bottom. But I opened it just now. I'm like, oh, that's nice. That's how you hold the cards and stuff inside. That's cute. But yeah, I'm about to bake this Oreo cake for Kimani. I've been had this since last year. So it's not expired yet. Remember what it's from Dollar Tree? Yeah. And with some oat milk. And these things that I bought from Tino. But yeah, so we're gonna bake some Oreo cupcakes. No icing though. I don't want icing. It's just gonna be just like that. Yeah, I'm not doing all that. That's too much. I should have did that though. I should have did that, you know. Damn, bro. Oh man, I messed up the damn cake, y'all. I mistakenly put apple cider vinegar.
What's going on?
Instead of the olive oil. Look. Like, how the hell? Oh my gosh. But you know what? I'm gonna still try to make it because guess what? Apple cider vinegar is healthy. And if you do something into the cake, how bad is that? I'm trying to open this thing. It's not coming off. But it shouldn't be that bad, right? I hope I didn't overpower the damn cake with this thing. Oh my god. Like, how? I cannot believe. So should I put water or the oat milk? I'm still putting the oat milk. I'm still putting the oat milk because I don't think. Oh my goodness. Bruh. I put it in a glass bowl. Why did I put it in a glass bowl? So I don't even got no plastic, that's why. The plastic bowl use I have is looking very yellowish because of the curry. So I didn't want to put it in that one. I gotta wash it out again. I didn't feel like doing that. So I'm gonna take my time and mix it with this in the glass bowl. I cannot believe I just poured apple cider vinegar in a damn cake mix. Oh, at least it's not gonna be that fattening. I'm mad. I'm mad. How the hell I messed that up? I'm gonna put it on a slow speed because I can't, it's glass. I don't know. I don't think this is safe to do it in a glass bowl. Like I said though, the other bowl is all curried up. Looking like I put too much damn almond milk in there. Oh my god. Girl. You keep messing up left and right, huh? And how do they look? Oh, it's golden. I thought it's vanilla. It's vanilla one. I thought it was oh, you got the okay. You got the Oreo chip inside. Cool. Cool. You know, I barely smell the almond milk. Like for real, I barely smell it. I'm not the almond milk. The apple cider vinegar. I cannot believe I poured. You know what? Whatever, girl. I feel like I'm gonna have to throw this in the plastic. Hold on, I'm gonna have to wash this plastic out thoroughly because I can't do it in the glass bowl. I had to make these cupcakes when he come over here, so I'm making it right now. And I'm honestly gonna taste it. I see how it tastes with apple cider vinegar in there. I honestly did not mean to do that. That's crazy. But I'm like, why is it so watery? It's supposed to be oil. It's not supposed to be that consistency. And I looked at the bottle. I see. I need to have the label. I have the label. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna put it on there. I have the organizing one I bought from Amazon, and I'm gonna put 2 labels on that because I don't know.
The only know you wasn't. You such a fucking loser. He ain't even go to class. Bueller. Trade the Grammy plaques just to have my granny back. Remember she had that bad hip like a fanny pack. Chasing the stardom will turn you to a maniac. All the way in Hollywood and I can't even act. They pull the cameras out and goddamn he snap. I used to want this thing forever. Y'all can have it back. It may not mean nothing to y'all. Understand nothing was done to me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever, mine, never mind, never mind. Shit down in the mall.
Another feel bad no more. I just gonna eat it. I still don't smell it. Nope, no smell nothing. No money pan at all, but so they look very colorful, and I like that. So 8 o'clock, it should be ready. I'm curious to see how this should taste because I still can't believe I'm gonna pour something in there. I don't know how it look. Let me see. It's so soft. I think the apple cider vinegar bring out the rawness and this is something here. I don't like how it smells. So I'm probably not gonna eat it and I'm not gonna give it to Kimani. Yeah, I can smell the egg yolk. Like, why am I smelling the egg yolk? But that was a fail. You wanna try again with another cake? So I'm here, right? And I'm here watching Anisha Adams. She's another Jamaican YouTuber I watch all the time. But cupcake. I still want to try the cupcake.
Mine are so easy, it's black and white. Graphic lines. One swipe and done. Vivid Matte is the moment.
There's nothing wrong with it.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chelsea if you're new.
Oh,
and
I like her.
Back to another vlog.
Another one.
It is Saturday, April 1st actually.
Well, she's not Jamaican, but
a.m. Your girl has to pack because we're
I don't remember when I started watching her, but she was recommended on my news feed and I started watching her ever since. But these not bad. Come on, you want a cupcake? Want a cupcake? It's Oreo. I guess he liked it. So we just ate 4 cupcakes, 2 each. It's good. Even without the icing, it tastes good. It really don't taste fattening.
Because how many keep her down, then we'll get the duct tape.
Yeah.
So,
and I don't taste it.
I'm not bringing down any clothes to Jamaica in the sense that like
so that's a good thing.
But the few clothes,
that's crazy.
that I do have.
But when I took it out the oven, he had this raw smell, like the apple cider vinegar brought up the smell of the egg yolk, and I'm like, oh, I'm not eating this. But then I let it cool off, and then I smelled it again, and I don't smell it. But then when I bit into it, and then when I bit into it, I still didn't smell it. So I'm like, okay, I'm eating it. I'm not eating this. So yeah, it's not bad. So okay, so this phone right here is Kimani phone that his father gave him. This is a 6S Plus. Okay. I'm just so like it show way better than the iPhone X. That doesn't even make sense to me. Because why does it show better than the iPhone X? My personal phone, like what? So I was supposed to get braces like in January. I think I was making an information of a lot before, but I decided to wait until after my birthday. Cause yeah, I'm gonna get braces though. Lord knows I need them. I'm a little insecure around here and here. I mean, I embrace them once in a while, but sometimes I still feel insecure about it. I'm not even gonna lie. But what you gonna do? Either you gonna fix it or embrace it. And while waiting to fix it, you just gotta embrace it. That's all. What time is it, Kimani?
Still have your weight that you're trying to bulk up on. Yeah. It reduces bloating, and that's perfect for me because I need a flat stomach.
Thank you.
And
let me go finish watching this.
And for again gut health, it nourishes.
See you guys tomorrow.
It's healthy, reduces bloating, you have great.